Hi guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com and this is Meatgistics. So much more than just hot dogs, hamburgers, and steaks can be barbecued, grilled, or smoked, and this is where we take new and interesting ideas and see what happens if we throw them in a smoker or on a barbecue. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and what could possibly be more romantic than a heart? We've got a beef heart here. It's about 2.5 pounds, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this up, marinate it in Cyclops Greek, and make shish kebabs out of it. Now, a heart does have a strong iron taste to it, so you'll wanna make sure you're choosing a marinade that's gonna have enough flavor to combat that, because by itself, it's really not that tasty of an organ. It's more of a muscle, but it is one of those that does kind of count as both. Now, we're gonna cut it up real thin because it's also really tough, and then we're gonna alternate it on a skewer with a green pepper, red pepper, and onion. Should give us a nice wide variety of tastes, plus the appearance will be really nice. The heart's gonna cook up really nice and red from all the hemoglobin in it. And if you think a heart's disgusting, I've got bad news for you. You've probably eaten one before, even if you didn't know it. It's commonly added to ground beef by processors to get it that nice, really red color and get the hemoglobin up to make it look really nice and fresh. So for you people that are huge fans of Valentine's Day, this is a great way to surprise your sweetheart. And for those of you who hate it, we're gonna slice this heart up and skewer it so there's something for you too. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all processed. I'm gonna marinate it overnight, and then we're gonna grill it, and we'll be back to let you know how it goes. All right, so we're done. We let them marinate overnight, and then we put them on the grill about 3 to 4 minutes aside at right around 450 degrees, just until they looked nice and done and firm. The Cyclops Greek smells awesome. It's a great seasoning for any kebabs. I can't recommend it high enough. Now, the taste. That's actually really good. That Cyclops Greek, I was expecting there to be like a real strong irony taste, but there really wasn't. It was just really nice. I'm sure the vegetables are delicious too. We did this as almost like a gag or a joke for Valentine's Day, but this is really good. I'm really impressed with this. And organ meat's a really important source of lots of nutrients, and this would be a good way to go ahead and get that if you don't like things like liver. I'm really impressed and really happy with how this turned out. I actually will be trying this again. I really liked it, so I would definitely say yes, this will barbecue. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.